This is our forest grapple trailer. 16 arm grapple. It is a turnable grapple. Arm left, right swing. This is the lock cylinder. Lock cylinder. Cabin lift, cabin down. Cabin. Joystick for grapple, arm swing. This is for controlling the directions of the machines. Controlling the forward, backward, in rear. The seat. Throttle. A brake. This is the brake. This is the throttle. Hand throttle. Air heater. Air heater. This is cylinder lock. Forward, backward. High speed, low speed. Parking. Vapor. Very nice machine. And for the inside the hydraulic system, it is from Italy. Italy piston pump and piston motor. Motor is here. This is the cast gearbox. Wide tire. Nice machine. The arm could extend about 4.2 meters. This is could be extend.